Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see delete activity in Azure Data Factory. So basically delete activity we use to delete any file or folder. That is the main use. So delete any file or folder. At that time we use delete activity. Right, so let's see the practically how we can delete. So firstly, I already created a folder under pipeline. So let's create the pipeline. So our pipeline name, we are going to give the delete pipeline. So delete, right, we are given the name. So whenever you want to give this is a property section, just close and maximize and minimize, right? So we given the our pipeline, that is delete. So now search the our activity. So under general section we have delete activity. So for the delete activity we have the general, source, logging, status and user properties. As you know that general and user properties, for each activity we have these two options, general and user properties. Whenever you want to give any additional information regarding this activity, we use the user properties. Under general it will have the name, description, activity status, read timeout, retry and retry interval. So now, so first thing we need to give the data set. Data set is basically from which location we want to, or connection we want to delete. So we want to delete a file from Azure Blob Storage. So for that we need to give the data set name. So we need to give the, I am giving the delete data set. So already I created a link service. If you don't know link service, so firstly it will give this option. So we need to give the name, need to select integration runtime, then we need to give the storage name and storage key or password, and just click on test connection. Then you are able to create the link service. So already I created, so that's why I just selected. Now here we need to give the whole path. So we want to delete the file from this main container under this sync output. So we want to delete, suppose us sales, right? So now if I go ahead to this container, we want to, under this container sync output we have one file, that is us sales. And if I open this file, we have the some data, dummy data. And if I see the data, so this is our data, right? ID name is 456, name is and sales, right? So I can close this one. We want to delete this file, right? We can delete folder also, we can delete file also. Now click on OK. If I select advanced, so nothing else, click on OK, right? So whether you want to log or not, like if you want to log you need to select the ADLS. If you don't want to log, basically it will create the log, right? So either you can enable the log or disable the log. If you enable, you need to select the ADLS, and if you don't want to do the enable, you can just deselect this. So depends upon you. Either you can enable it and then select the link service that we created, or you can deselect it. So until now I can deselect it. Now go to the source. So we given the path, we want to delete the file. And now if I run the our pipeline, so whenever you want to see the pipeline output, you can see under the output. So each pipeline we have the parameter, variable, setting and output option. So first thing it will go to the queued status, that is in progress, and last it will go to the succeeded status. Then let's see the output. And at the last, so now if you see, if I go to the USL and I refresh, and now if you see it will delete the file. Taking some time. Here it will give the detailed information like Type is binary, recursive, enable partition, discovery. So these are the some options. File name is USCLs, right? If you see the file name, folder path, the enable tabular. So there are so many options. So dataset name, then activity ID, transfer ID, files how many files we deleted, log path is null because we have disabled the log. And now if I go to the this file custom, let's go to the our container, still it is loading. So it is now, if you see under sync output, that file it will not show. When I now click on this one, so we deleted the us sales file under the sync output folder. So this is our main container, this is the sync output folder. Under this folder we deleted the us sales. So that's all about the delete activity in Azure Data Factory. Either you can delete the folder and file. So if you have any question, any doubt, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.